Inspired by the iconic Team Car No. 2, the legendary Bentley Blower, the Bentley Blower Jr. makes its mark, a creation by the Little Car Company in Bentley's heritage collection. Handcrafted to exceptional quality standards, this 85% scale recreation pays homage to the original blower, adorned with exquisite details that echo its iconic predecessor. To ensure top-notch engineering and design, a rigorous durability program spanning over 5,000 miles across 3 continents has commenced. From snowy Swiss landscapes to bustling cityscapes, the Bentley Blower Jr. undergoes extensive testing, ensuring road legality and performance excellence. Fueled by a 48-volt electric powertrain, this masterpiece boasts a 15 kilowatts motor, offering a top speed of 45 miles per hour in the UK and EU, with an expected range of 65 miles and tandem seating for 2 adults. Crafted meticulously with over 700 parts, it echoes authenticity, from its carbon fiber rear structure to the handcrafted aluminum bonnet, reminiscent of the original. Modernizing a 1930s legend has its hurdles, yet, with innovation, challenges are met. Currently, 5 experimental Bentley Blower Jnrs are undertaking global durability tests. As the festive season wraps us in its joy, the Bentley Blower Jr. delivers holiday cheer, transporting Christmas trees and capturing hearts. Bentley and the Little Car Company extend warm holiday wishes to all. May this season be filled with joy and relaxation. Here's to a Merry Christmas and an exciting 2024.